Now in this video we will learn how to round off a number or how to find out the approximate value, approximation, and also what is a significant figure. So first of all, see the number. If I will write a number like this without decimal form, this is a simple integral form. So how to read the number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, it starts with ones, then tens, then thousand, hundred, then thousand, 10,000, like this. But if I write a number in decimal form, then how to read a number? Like this. So number after decimal, the number is before decimal, this is the integral part and this is the decimal part. Integral part we write as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, like this. But after decimal, it always start with tenths, T-E-N-T-H-S, tenths. First digit, not ones. First digit is tenths. Then hundreds, T-H-S. Then thousands, T-H-S. Okay, tens, hundreds, thousands, like this we read the number after decimal. So accordingly we can round off also. We know how to round off a number if the number is, if the digit which you have to round off the number, like you have to round off this number ones, tens, hundred up to tens place. So ones, tens. So we see the number just before it. Okay, if it is more than 5, then it will increase by 1, and if it is less than 5, then it will remain same. This is the method which you know. So in this also we will learn, we will do the approximation by this method only, but these all will be the decimal number. How to round off the decimal number? Let's see. Like exercise 3.2, question number 4. Round off the following to the nearest hundredth. So you have to write it to the nearest hundredth. How you will write it? Where is hundredth? First of all tell me. Hundredth. This is tenth place. Tenths. This is hundredths. Okay. So you have to round off up to this place. So after this you have to see the digit. If this digit is more than 5, then it will be it will change, it will increase by 1. And if this digit is less than 5, then it will remain same. So you can see it is 0, 0 is less than 5. So 3.09, it will be remain 3.09. You can round off this number up to nearest to the 100th place like this. So where is 100th place here? This is 10th place. After decimal, tenths, then hundredths. This is 100th place. So you have to see this digit. If it is more than 5, yes, 6 is more than 5. So it will increase by 1. It will become 6. So you can write it 0.06. Okay. Similarly, this one, where is 100th place? This is 10th place. This is 100th place. So you have to see this digit 3. 3 is less than 5, so 4 will be remain 4 only. So it will be 21.34 only. Okay. Now, where is 100th place? This one. After this, you have to see this digit. This is 9 more than 5. So this will increase by 1. This 9 will become what? 10. So you will write 0.10. Got it? Similarly, you have to round off the following correct to 3 decimal places. Means after that decimal, you have to leave 3 numbers, 3 digits. Okay, so after decimal, 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 decimal places you have to round off. So 6, after 6 you have to see 7. 7 is more than 5, so this 6 will become what? Increase by 1, it will become 7. 0.5, 0.057. Okay, now this one 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit you have to see. This is 2. 2 is less than 5. So it will remain 0 only. So 8.100. Similarly 1, 2, 3. After 3 decimal place this is 8. 8 is more than 5. So this 9 will become 10. So it will become 10 means 0. 0 carry 1. 5 plus 1 6. 0.060. Okay. After decimal 3 digit 1, 2, 3. After this you have to see it is 5. It will be equal to 5 or more than 5? The number will increase by 1. So 5. So this will become 6. So 31.246. Its answer is this. Okay. Now we will learn what is significant figure. So significant figures represent the total number of digits present in a number. But there is some condition to count the number of digits. To count it as a significant figure. What is the condition? There are 4 conditions. All the non-zero numbers are significant. Like for example, if the numbers like this without decimal or non-zero 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 9. So how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures in this. In this number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. Okay. If numbers are non-zero, then it will be counted as significant figure. Next is all zeros in between non-zero number are significant. If there is any non-zero number and all the zeros are coming between the non-zero number like this. This is non-zero, non-zero and 0 is coming in between, then this 0 will be counted as significant figure. Okay, so how many significant figure in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 0 is coming in between the non-zero number, so it will be counted as significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many significant figure is there? 5. Next condition, zeros preceding the first non-zero number are not counted. Yes, if any non-zero number is written and 0 is just preceding it, just before the number, the zeros are coming. 1, 3 and these zeros are before the number. Then this 2, 0 will not be counted as significant figure. But then how many significant figure are there? Only 2. 1, 2. Okay. Here 1, 2. This 3, 0 will not be counted as significant figure. Significant figure will be counted only this 2 digit. 2. Okay. So there is only 2 significant figure. So 0 preceding the first non-zero number are not counted as significant figure. Last is, if a number is rounded off to a specific number of digit and as a result if the last digit becomes 0, then the 0 is significant, otherwise it will not be significant. Suppose there is any number 24.196 and it is rounded off to the correct to 2 decimal places. After decimal you can see 2 digit. So if it is round, it will be rounded off. It is 6 more than 5, it will become 10, 9 will become 10. So 24 point what? It will become 20. In this case only this 0 will be counted as significant. If and after rounding off the 0 is coming in the last, then it will be counted as significant figure. Otherwise, if the 0 will be at last, like any number is written like this 24.26000, then last 0 will not be counted as significant figure. Only in such cases it will be counted when it is coming after rounding of the number. Got it? So you have to keep in mind these 4 points how we can see that a number is a significant figure. For example, you can see 9.347. You have to round off this number correct to 3 significant figure. First of all, tell me what is 3 significant figure here. 1, 2, 3. So you have to round off this number up to here. So you will see the digit after this. After this, if it is more than 5 or equal to 5, then it will increase by 1. So yes, definitely it is more than 5. It is 7. So this 4 will become 5. So 9.35 will be its answer. 9.35. Okay. Now, correct to 2 significant figure. You have to round off this to correct to 2 significant figure. What is 2 significant figure? As I have told you, the rule 0 preceding the first non-zero number will not be counted. So this 2 0 will not be counted as significant figure. Then 1 and 2. 2 significant number figure is this. After this you have to see this is 4. 4 is less than 5. So it will remain 24. So 0.024 will be its answer. 0.024. Okay. Similarly, you have to correct this to the 3 significant figure. But there is only 1 significant figure here because all the 0 will not be counted because it is preceding any non-zero number. So 8 is a 1 single digit significant figure, but you have to correct it up to 3 significant figures. So what we will do in this case, 8 you have to put by yourself 20 here to make it significant. 3 decimal up to 3 decimal places. So 0.00800 you have to put by yourself. Okay. Here also correct to 3 significant figures. So 9. Okay, this is one number only. So I hope you have understood. Now see the question. Question number 6. Round off the following number as indicated. You have to round off this correct to two significant figure. Where is two significant figure here? 1, 2. This 0 will not be counted. Okay, 1, 2. So after this is 8. 8 is more than 5. So this 0 will become what? 1. 0.61 will be its answer. 0.61. Okay. Now, you have to round off correct to three significant figure. Where is three significant? This 0 will not be counted because it is more before the number. So, it will not be counted as significant. Now, three significant figure, there is only two significant figure, 7 and 1, 1, 2. So, you have to put 1 0 by yourself to make it three significant figure. 1, 2, 3. Then, it will be 0.00710. Okay. Now, this number correct to three significant figure. 1, 2, 3. So, after this, there is 0 less than 5. So, it will be remain 0 only. 19.0 will be its answer. 19.0. Correct to four significant figure. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, you have to see this is 3. 3 is less than 5. So, 0 will be remain 0 only. So, 7090. 7.090 will be its answer. Now, 10.8 correct to 5 significant figure. This I am leaving for you as a homework. Okay. 5 significant figure. There is only 3 significant figure. 1, 2, 3. So, make it 5 significant figure. What you will have to do? You have to put 1, 2, 0 by yourself. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5. Okay, so do it by yourself, E number. So, I hope you have completed exercise 3.2 and 3.1. You have some mental maths and practice time also in this chapter. Complete that also. That part is your homework. Okay, and your syllabus for unit test is chapter 1 and 2. So, complete that 2 chapter. Do the revision for your unit test. Okay.